What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Toyota Prius today. I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to get behind the glove box door here. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper that we have here. All we got to do is pull it. And then we got to lower the door. And you can actually see it says push right here. So we're going to push this in. It's a little stopper. This is what stops the door from opening up all the way. Same thing on this side here. We're going to just pull it in. And you'll notice that the door will come down, okay? Now once you get it down, you can actually pull it off and out of your way. It's made to come off like this, okay? Right up in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this door off here, and we're gonna have to pinch these two guys here. Pinch them together, then we can pull the door off, okay? So if you notice that on the left side here, it goes in. When we go to put this back together, this goes in like this. There's nothing to pinch, okay? We're gonna pull out the cabin filter and its retainer. So the retainer we're gonna reuse. We're just gonna pull the element right out, okay? Sorry, I'm doing this one hand over here. All right, so when we pull it out, notice this says up right here. With our new filters, this one says airflow and it's pointing down. We need to install it like this, okay, with the arrows pointing up. So this guy in here. So if you need a filter or the part number, check in the description box. I'm gonna have a link for you where you can pick one up. Then we're gonna stick this guy right back in here. When you put this in, you gotta make sure you push it all the way to the back, okay, or you won't be able to get that door on. And the door itself has these little things right here. It's gonna go underneath, towards the bottom of this slot here. But we're gonna go left side in first, and then we'll just push this guy on. Okay, and I'll click, pop. Grab the glove box, stick it back on its hinges here. Okay, and it'll kind of click a little bit. All we have to do is close it, and hold itself up, and get the damper, and just try to push this guy right back on. Nice and simple. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, throw me a comment.